Hey everyone, Judd Burdon here from Asphalt Kingdom. We're presently on the showroom floor right here at the National Pavement Expo in Nashville, Tennessee. And I'm with two special people right here. I'm right here with Joe, and I'm here with Cindy as well from RLS. And they've been on a pretty incredible journey. We were just speaking back here in the Riderworks booth about their journey a little bit, and then I kind of asked them to stop, and I said, let's get this recorded and let's spit this out to the world, and let's make sure everybody hears this story. So how did you get started in the business?
Well, I got started. I was out of work, looking for work, and when you get to be my age, 59 young, it's not easy finding a job. So I talked to Cindy, and we decided let's start our own business. Got into the striping business, and from the striping business, we realized, there's more stuff to be done here. There's crack filling, there's seal coating. So we gradually got into doing all that by hand, literally pouring into the cracks to coat fill, squeegeeing the driveway. And then we thought, it's got to be a better way. And that was when we contacted Asphalt Kingdom. We got the equipment from them, the sprayer, the hose, the wand, the whole kit. And we started going with there. Things were going along very well for a while. And then I realized...
Year one?
Year one, just 2 years ago. And then I was having problems trying to figure out, I didn't know the machine that well. Getting plugs, things were plugging up. Put my face where it doesn't belong. And when I tried to unplug something, tapping on it with the screwdriver, well, it unplugged. It shot right in my face, in my eye. I wound up in the burn unit down in Detroit. At the same time, 2 days prior, my wife broke her wrist on her deck, and she wound up in the Marlette Hospital having surgery the same day I'm in the Detroit hospital, 75 miles away, in the burn unit. And as you can tell, my face, through everybody's hard work and quick action, and my eye is all healed. My eyesight is actually better in this eye.
Don't put sealer in your eye to try and get better eyesight.
Well, what I learned from that was don't put your face where it doesn't belong. And but then with talking to other people, I found out what I was doing wrong. A little bit about a mixture problem. Things were after that, they flowed great. And we finished the year out at a loss, but we learned a lot.
So year one, there was a loss?
There was a loss.
I don't believe there was a loss.
Well,
I believe that there was an investment.
You've got a point there, yeah. And we learned a lot.
Because lost is almost never recovering.
That's true.
Investment is investing into the future.
Yep.
Now tell me about year two so that everybody knows how that
Year two, I had people literally tell me, so you're going to give up on this and do something else? Nope. We believe in this. We believe in what we're doing. We're going to continue on. And we did. And just before the year started, in January, Cindy fell and broke her kneecap. Okay? Just totally blacking out. We didn't know why. We found out why. She had to have brain surgery in June. So in May, she lost her job. I started working. She had her brain surgery, and our business just literally took off. And we did more than double year two than we did in year one.
Wow.
And that's with everything that she had gone through and that we had gone through together.
But you also paid for everything in advance.
And
the year before,
right.
We were always catching up.
We were always playing catch
this
up.
year, we paid for everything in advance. That's the
supplies, equipment. And I can honestly say that right now, we are debt-free in our company. That was our promise to one another, that we're not going to go into debt. We're too old to go into debt.
Who wants to be in debt?
I know, exactly. And so right now, if this was all taken away tomorrow, we owe nobody.
But it's not going to be taken away.
It's not going to be taken away tomorrow. We've got more equipment we want to buy for this year, and I know that you're going to be involved in that. And I've got, we've already got more work scheduled this year coming up than we did in our full first year.
It's incredible.
That's how blessed we are. And, with strong people behind us, I can honestly say that with Asphalt Kingdom, I was on a job site last year. Last year, because that was the year we got our RY10 Pro. Couldn't get it to heat up.
Right there.
The
RY10 Pro
right there. We couldn't get it to stay lit. And I tried everything I could try to figure out. So I called these guys up, and they tried to get me through it and couldn't. So they said, hold on, we'll call you back. They called Rhino Works. Rhino Works called me on the job site, told me exactly what to do. Boom, just like that. Within minutes, it was done. It was staying lit. So
Good
that's
service.
what we look for. We, I've got people that take care of us, and we take care of them.
As I'm speaking with you, it's just I speak about this so often, and it's like, in life there's adversity and challenges. There's things that we go through in our life that aren't
Absolutely.
easy. Life isn't easy.
No,
But when you
Wasn't meant to be.
surround yourself with great people,
exactly.
and like just standing here, it feels warm to be here with you both. Like it feels warm, it feels good, it feels authentic
Right.
and pure.
Yes.
And when you surround that, you want more of that. You want a circle. You want somebody you can be around and speak and communicate with, bounce things off of. And so, as you went through those challenges, health stuff and business stuff, and now to be standing here with you guys, like both right here in Nashville and on the showroom floor at the National Pavement Expo, it gives me goosebumps. It's really, really a special thing.
Appreciate
And
it.
I really hope that, as people are watching this, that, if you have a dream, just know there's going to be challenges along the way. There will be. But know that, know that if you curl up in a ball and you just give up, then you don't, that's giving up.
Right.
It's lost money, right? It's done. But if you stand up, you puff your chest up and you say, I'm going after this and I'm going to, whip out my golden sword and cut through that shit like butter, then
That's what we did.
you're going to be able to make things happen. I've said that one statement that I just made several times in videos before, but you got to be a warrior in life.
Yes, you do.
You do. And
You
I
do.
believe you're both warriors.
We've been through so many things in our life. I'm a cancer survivor, and we've been through a lot of other stuff. But we're here. We're here today. She can tell you how excited I've been in the last month, just waiting for this day to come, because these things are tailor made for me. I love coming to
it.
expos. I'm a talker. I'm a former salesperson.
We've been
So
on social media.
We've been on social media.
Yeah.
And I've been meeting you guys, and I've just been excited to meet everybody. I still got a couple more people. Kevin Elford told me to make sure I look him up too.
Yeah, Kevin's
And,
here on the floor. Yeah.
Yep. So it's been a thrill so far just to be here today, man.
Thank you so much for taking the time with us. We
Thank you.
appreciate that very, very much. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you for the share. RLS, Joe and Cindy, fantastic people, as you can see, and I'm sure Joe would have no problem if you reached out on social media, if you had a
Right.
question, if you had something you might have been dealing with that might, give you a sense of fear, reach out, and that's what this community is really developing and
Absolutely.
pushing towards. It's a community of people wanting to help each other. So let's do this.